uncertain financial world these days, you need to take control of your future.
Many Americans are finding it more difficult to pay their bills in a soft U.S. economy.
Have you taken a large home loan?
The mortgage meltdown cost millions of Americans their homes. Millions more are still struggling to avoid foreclosure.
We are running out of the traditional ammunition that's used in a recession, which is to lower interest rates. They're getting to be about as low as they can go.
About 33% of U.S. states jail people for not paying off their debts.
Many folks are looking to boost the family budget. Turn to the internet to find a new source of income.
The secrets to making money on the internet.
There is tremendous opportunity to make money online.
The best part, some are making 6 figures doing it.
Well, these days on the internet, you can do practically anything. You're probably even watching this show right now on the internet. I know you are. So why not take advantage of all the web has to offer and make a few bucks?
Well, congratulations. You just landed on the world's only done-for-you free money system that has created 152 new millionaires and $189,671,458 in profit in just the past 90 days. Now, prepare for changes, big changes.
I have over $1.2 million just sitting in my bank account. Now, I never thought this would happen to me, and, well, it feels weird to even say it, but I'm a millionaire. I really am a millionaire, and it only took 3 months. Thank you, Walter, and thank you, Free Money System.
I'm Jason from Australia, and I became a millionaire in just 3 months, thanks to the Free Money System. I never could have done this on my own, but that's the beauty of it. With the Free Money System, everything is done for me. They should call the system the Done For You Millionaire. All I did to make this money was say yes. It's crazy.
I had the IRS threatening bank levies just 13 weeks ago. And now, look at this. Do you see what I see? That's $1,841,255.79. And it's all mine. I paid off my back taxes and invested the rest back into the system. I'll probably finish the year out with over $3 million net. This is 100% a result of the Free Money System. And believe me, being a millionaire feels really, really good.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say, but you're just a few clicks and a few weeks away from being a millionaire. Yeah, a millionaire. Now, I know you're saying to yourself, how could he possibly know that? Well, there's only one way that I could know that. And that's if I did all the work it takes to make you a millionaire. For you. Which is exactly what I'm about to do. See, this page you landed on is different from anything else you've ever seen. If you've been watching other videos lately trying to sell you on a system for binary options, Forex, day trading, or even internet marketing, well, my heart goes out to you. You've been led on a wild goose chase. And yep, you're still broke. Ouch. You're listening to people who wouldn't know a binary option from a bond if it whacked them on the noggin. I get angry when I think about how they've taken money from people who were just trying to get ahead and then left them high and dry with no support, no one to turn to, no expert anywhere in sight. Well, I'm flushing all that crap down the toilet today. This is the last day you ever have to worry about any of those self-proclaimed gurus. In fact, this is the last day you have to worry about making money at all. because I'm going to make you a millionaire in 3 months tops. Hi, folks. It's Walter Green. They call me the Green Machine for obvious reasons. And ever since I discovered the system I'm about to share with you, I've made over $48 million just by clicking my mouse. My family and I are blessed, truly blessed, to have found this system. Heck, I make more in a minute than most people make in a year. And you don't need to look anywhere else. I'm the real deal. And lucky for you, I have a big heart too. Now, before we go on, let me just say a word about this video. The financial elite are deathly afraid of this video getting out again. And because of that, you may never see this video again if you exit this page. It's already pissed off several very powerful brokerage firms who found out about it. Since we launched, I have let 152 members join, and they all became millionaires within 90 days. I took the last 6 months off to focus on the new members. Big brokerage firms are out for blood because they're losing millions. But these crooks don't scare me. They're just pissed because their scams have been exposed. So I'm here one last time to change a few lives. To make a lucky few millionaires within 90 days. But I can't let 152 people in. It's too risky to draw that much attention. So for this reason, I'm only taking 7 new members today. After I find my 7 future millionaires, I'm retiring for good. I'm heading back underground to enjoy my 48 million in private. So take this time seriously. Tell your spouse you're busy. Go to a quiet place, lock the door, hide your wallet. Hang on to every word. This video is not long, but it has unbelievable power because it takes all the power the ultra-rich have and puts it in your hands. It levels the playing field. It makes being rich possible for anyone, anywhere, for the first time in history. But first, a little bit about me and where this system came from. 6 years ago, I sat exactly where you sit. Well, probably even worse off. Because due to a nagging health problem, I became unable to keep my hours, and I eventually lost my job as an equity partner in a major full-service law firm. Unemployment didn't cover half my family's expenses. I get beads of sweat in my forehead every time I open the mailbox. Well, I could pay a few, but there was one bill in particular I could never cover. The mortgage. We missed one payment, then another. We fell 5 months behind. I was sure every day that there would be an eviction notice on our door. My wife Linda and I were about to lose our home of 22 years. She was looking to me for help, and I could barely look her in the eye. As I was rummaging through a few bills I couldn't pay, the phone rang. It was my cousin Ray. I hadn't spoken to him in about 2 years, and he needed legal advice. You see, my family and friends always called me for legal advice, like I had the time. But hey, no law firm in town would hire me because they thought I was washed up. He told me he had good news. He wanted me to look over a new partnership contract. He'd just been named partner at FMS Capital, one of the largest investment firms in town. I'll admit I was jealous, but I was even more curious, so I asked him, how much does a partner at FMS make these days? He said about 800 grand. Wow, I said. He said, wow, and he laughs. That's my dry cleaning money. What do you mean? I asked. I mean, that's nothing. I trade binary options on the side, and that's where I make all my real money. I just love my firm. You know, work is my passion. I don't work for the money. Walter, he said, I make tens of millions of dollars. I couldn't hold it in. Ray, how the hell are you doing that? He said, it's easy. My company trades billions each month, and they have this secret loophole I hacked into. My ears perked up. Yeah. Well, knowing this secret is like holding the Holy Grail. There are no losses with this system, Walter. Only wins. The amount of money it can make is infinite. It was discovered by a group of Israeli traders back in 2010. They kept it to themselves for years until somebody tried to make a quick buck, hacked it, swiped it, and sold it to our company. Well, go on, I said. When I became partner, I got access to all of their code and started secretly using it on the side for myself during my breaks. This wasn't exactly allowed under company policy, and my boss did find out about it. But it turns out he was doing the same thing I was. So we both agreed to keep our mouths shut and split the profits. I said, so what happened with the system? Magic, he said. I'll never forget it. I started with just $1,000, and on the very first day, it was $2,000. On the second day, it was $4,000. By the end of the first month, it was $30,000. Then things really started to get really crazy. By the second month, I was at $250,000, and by the third month, I hit $1.1 million, and that's how I became a multimillionaire, Walter. I asked him if it required much training, and he said that anyone could do it if they have the secret system. Well, can I be one of those people? I asked him. He paused for a bit, and then he said, well, I'll make you a deal. With all the money I'm making, I need a good attorney, handle all my legal stuff, and I'll let you in. Are you serious, Ray? I asked. Can I show my wife and kids? Well, he responded, share it only with people you trust, okay? He said, I'm serious. You've always been there when I needed you, and I know you're going through a rough patch right now. I want you to have it. Be successful with it. I know you will. Well, I couldn't believe it. But that's exactly what he said. When I got access to the system, I wasn't sure I'd know what to do with it. So I called him, and he helped me get set up. It took about 5 minutes. And he was right. This was something anyone could do. I had never traded a day in my life. Long story short, I invested $250 to start. And this is how my bank account looked 3 months later. I've been doing this for the past 6 years, working 1 hour a day on it, and I'm now worth over $48 million. My home is not only saved, I own 10 different mansions around the world. My financial problems are a distant memory. I really can't believe what my life is like now. I jump into my pool as soon as I wake up every morning to see if I'm dreaming. It's like I hit the lottery. I'm the luckiest person in the world. I don't deserve to be rich. I'm just an old, washed-up attorney. I guess the joke's on them now. I sometimes drive past my old law firm just to show off my new Rolls Royce. Of course, I smile while flipping everyone the finger. Screw it. I'm my own boss now. I don't say this to brag, but to inspire you. But this is mine, and these are mine. They're all paid for in cash. But right now, stop. I know what you're doing. You're drooling over my success, wishing it happened to you. Well, I want you to stop that. Because you know what? You're next. If you want it, it's yours. This is the life you're about to lead. See, what you don't realize yet is that you're as rich as I am now. I have no advantage over you. You're going to get access to the same system, and I or a teammate will do it all for you to make sure you don't screw it up. Why? Because with all the money I've made came a little bit of guilt. Guilt about the fact that there are other people just like you who are going through the exact same thing I was. They have no idea where to turn, and if they do turn, they're turning to the wrong people, getting fed to the sharks. I want to help those people. I want to make things right. I want you to live the way I live, in the land of luxury. Because living in debt, or paycheck to paycheck, isn't living at all. I can help you, and I'm going to help you. People say to me, Walter, give it up. You can't save the world by yourself. Stop trying to force success on people. It won't work. Most people don't really want to succeed anyway. Well, I once heard a story that clarifies that for me. One day the tide had washed up thousands of starfish that were riddled across the seashore. They needed water. They were dying. A boy saw this, and he started throwing those starfish one by one back into the ocean. And the man said, "Boy, why are you spending your time doing that? There are thousands of them. What you're doing will never make a difference." The boy looked at him, threw one more starfish into the ocean, and said, "Well, it made a difference to that one." What's happening here is just like that story. I can't help everyone, but I sure as hell can help someone. 7 people, to be exact. And if you're here right now, hearing my voice, that someone is you. I still have a spot open. Your life is about to change beyond recognition. Because I'm now taking it upon myself not to just help you, but to do it for you. And you'll see how in just a minute. I've collected a dream team of traders who have been trained in my system. They are all making millions with the system, or they wouldn't be part of my team. And either they or I will be building out your free money system and maintaining it. 100% done for you. Why would I do this? Why would I hire people out of my own pocket to do all the work for you? Well, I have to. I don't sleep at night if someone out there is losing money with my system. We have to build it for you, to make sure that there are no mistakes and to make sure you actually become a millionaire in 3 months as we promised. You're about to become a part of the most profitable club on earth. And once you're in for life. You will make amounts of money you don't even understand. You will be a millionaire in 3 months. These are not my theories. These are proven facts. I've already done this for hundreds of clients. It's called the free money system. And I want you to stop believing and start seeing live what it's capable of. So, what I'm going to do is open my laptop here. I activated my free money system. My system does all the work for you. As you can see throughout the whole day, my system places trades for me automatically. And because it is hardwired right into this secret loophole, it has a 95% win ratio. As you can see, in just 24 short hours, I made $75,982.81. That's definitely on track to make me another cool million within 90 days. I could run my business with my eyes closed and my arms tied behind my back and still make millions. And man, making millions never gets old. Forget about my success, though, because you might not be working with me. You probably want to know about the success of the dream team members you'll be working with. Let me show you some of their results just from today. Now, here's Damon. He's just made over $394,393 for his clients today. And Harris, whoa, he's earned $634,493 today for his clients. Michael has earned $403,239 for his clients today. Now, let me ask you, how would you like to have one of these gurus trading for you while you do, well, absolutely nothing? Remember all the work I did for my money a minute ago? You won't even need to do that. You can have the money without the work because the Dream Team will do it all for you. And now, well, let's have some fun. Just so you're 100% certain that this can really work for you, I want to show you what happens when a complete stranger who's never made a dime in their life on the internet gets a hold of the free money system.
Walter?
Erica.
Yeah, hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Come on in, come on in.
Thanks. Wow, you have a nice office.
Oh, thank you. Well, you can see we've got cameras running. Is that okay with you?
That's fine.
Great. Come on, have a seat.
Thanks.
So, Erica, what brings you here today?
Well, I saw the posting online about free coaching, about how to make money on the internet. So I thought I'd give it a whirl.
Smart move, Erica. Tell me, what do you do for a living?
I just got out of community college and I'm just looking for a job.
Oh, well, I have a feeling you're not going to be needing that job.
Why?
Well, I think that we'll be making you more money today than you'd make on that job in a month.
Well, that sounds great, but I'll believe it when I see it.
Oh, skeptical, huh? I like that. Let's get started then, shall we?
We shall.
Good. All right. Okay. We're going to set up your free account. So all we have to do is enter your banking information. Oh, don't worry, it's a completely secure situation. All we're going to do is tell the bank where to put your money.
Okay, I'll sign up for that.
All right. All right. Now, I've already put $250 into your brokerage account. That's how you're going to make money, by investing that.
Cool. I like free money.
Well, good, because that's exactly what this is all about. I don't mean to be personal, but do you mind if we show them your bank account just so that people out there can see that this works?
It's kind of embarrassing. I mean, I'm waiting for a check right now. But so I'm overdrawn.
Yeah, that's absolutely fine. That's okay. But don't worry about that. We're going to take care of that right now. You just click here and here.
Okay.
What you just did was extract money from the system, and it's going to go directly into your bank account.
Wow. That sounds amazing. Okay, I'm getting excited. What do I have to do next?
Absolutely nothing. You've already done it.
Okay, done what?
That's it. You've done everything there is to do. Go ahead, you check your bank balance.
Okay. Just refresh. Mm-hmm. Oh my God. Look! I'm not overdrawn anymore. $178.72. Can we do it again?
Absolutely. Let's go ahead and do it again. Now, what you're going to do is reinvest the $100 that from your last transaction. So this way we can cash in big on the next trade. Okay? So just click here and here. Now, you just take a deep breath and say a prayer. And refresh your account.
Oh my God! Wow! $431.03. I can't believe this. This is amazing. I don't want to stop doing this ever.
You don't have to, all right? You just type your email address right here.
Okay.
Good.
There you go.
Now, what I'm going to do is put you in touch with one of my associates, and what he's going to do is make sure that this money keeps on coming for you.
For free.
Absolutely free.
Walter, I don't know what kind of voodoo you pulled here, but I like it. Honestly, I don't know how to thank you.
Well, all you have to do is just check back with me in about 3 months and let me know how successful you are. That's all the thanks that I need.
3 months. Okay, weird, but I will do it. I will see you in 3 months.
Very good. All right, goodbye for now then.
All right, yes. Bye, Walter.
Nice to meet you, Erica.
Nice to meet you too. And thanks again.
Oh, it's my pleasure. Bye-bye now.
Bye.
I told her I wanted to see her in 3 months because I knew a little something she didn't. I know what happens when a team member takes over the account. The account holder is generally a millionaire within 3 months. Did that happen to Erica? Let's see.
Erica, can you hear me?
Yeah, hi Walter. Man, I've been waiting for this day. I have unbelievable news.
What's that?
I am a millionaire. I can't believe I just said that out loud. I am a millionaire. Just look. I have $1.6 million in my bank account. The Dream Team member that you set me up with, he just wouldn't stop. He kept growing the account every single day. It's crazy.
Now, didn't I tell you that you wouldn't need to worry about finding a job?
Well, I had no idea how right you were. If I keep going like this, I'm going to retire in Costa Rica and spend the rest of my life in a hammock getting a foot rub.
Oh, Erica, that sounds good to me. That sounds terrific to me. So, do you have any comments for everybody out there watching who might be considering doing this program?
Yes, you're insane if you don't do this. A millionaire in 3 months, and all it costs is a $250 deposit? That's downright nuts. Don't even think about this, people. Do it. And make money like I did. It's real. I am living proof of that.
Oh, Erica, thank you so much.
Thank you, Walter. Bye.
Bye-bye now.
Now, I want you to know, Free Money System is 100% committed to your success with the Done For You system. I don't care if you're old. I don't care if you're young. I don't care if you're nearly broke and living out of your mother's basement. This is going to make you into a millionaire, mark my words. I've been making random people millionaires for over a year now, and you pay nothing to our Dream Team member to do everything for you. They will never ask for a penny. I know they appreciate a Christmas gift just like anybody else, but that's totally up to you. I pay them. It's free to you. When I say access is free, I mean F-R-E-E. Free. There is absolutely no cost for the Free Money System. You pay zero. I think you know why. We have all the money we need. In fact, we have more money than we probably should have. It's a bit obscene, actually. The point is, we don't need or want your money. We're here to give something to you. Heck, I'll even give you a $500 sign-up bonus if you're one of the lucky 7 that joins today. The hurdle of gurus constantly taking your money is behind you now. The only hurdle that is in front of you is getting in while spots are still available. If you do get in, let me tell you, the life you know is not the life you're ever going to live again. You are about to begin living the life of a millionaire, and that's going to be a big change for you. You're going to need to know how to manage the money. You're going to need to learn how to secure your future while enjoying the present. Being rich is an art that you're going to have to master. Whether you master it or not, it's coming. You will be a millionaire 3 months from now, whether you like it or not. That's my promise. And I'm putting my entire reputation behind it. I've got to remind you, though, I told you that this was going to be limited to only a few people. And it is. 7 to be exact. Now, there's a scoreboard below that will tell you how many slots we have left. You keep a close eye on that scoreboard, because once we hit 0, it's all over. No second chances. So here's what you need to do. You need to do it fast. Take a good look at the box right below this video. Put your best email address in that box. This is how we're going to set you up with your Dream Team coach. Next, you'll need to set up your broker account and fund it. It's a $200 minimum investment to activate the Free Money System, but the more money you invest, the faster you'll be a millionaire. This is a fact. And this is your money. You can get to it anytime you want. Remember, you get the Free Money app for free once your broker account is funded. Now, this is easily a $500,000 value. This also unlocks your Dream Team mentor. You will pick your mentor on the next page. It's that simple. Now remember, $200 turns into $2,000 within days, and $20,000 within weeks, and over $1 million within 3 months. I ask you, can you afford to miss out on that? So put your email address in the box right now, and let's make you a millionaire. Do it now. Really? You haven't moved your mouse? Please yell for help. You must still have the golden handcuffs on. You really want to go back to the 9-to-5 grind, wondering how the hell you're ever going to pay your children's college tuition? You really like having mortgages and credit card debt and back taxes piling up, making you sick to your stomach every time you think about it? Listen, it's time to get out of your own way. You have an amazing life to lead, a rich life. All you need to do is let it in. Put in your information now and end the pain and the confusion. Start really living like these guys.
Hi, I'm Diane Reyes from Mount Pleasant, Minnesota, and I became a millionaire thanks to the free money system. And I didn't place a single trade. It was all 100% done for me. And that's what I loved most about the system. Well, just look. That's what's sitting in my bank account. I paid off over $40,000 in credit card debt in 1 week. Walter, you're a godsend.
Hi, I am Norman Waits from Pennsville, New Jersey. And I became a millionaire thanks to the free money system. Before I found Walter, I had tried maybe 14 different internet marketing products. Each of them cost me around $49. And you know, in most cases, I never even made my $49 back. Day one, with Walter's Done For You free money system, I made $774. It just gets better from there. I'm now averaging $12,000 a day. And just like Walter said, in month 3, I became a millionaire for the first time in my life. Deciding to work with Walter has been the best decision I have ever made. If you can get into his program, do it. Don't think twice. Just do it. This really is the Holy Grail.
You want to join these millionaires? You can. All you have to do to get started is put in your email address below. From there, you'll be taken to our members area where I have given simple instructions on how to set up your broker account and activate the free money system. Takes just a couple of clicks and you'll be making money within minutes. So go now to the next step. Put your email address below now.
If you're still here, you shouldn't be here. Now just think about it. If you do nothing, nothing happens. You're guaranteed to keep living the same life you live now. If you do something and just let my team do it for you, everything could change. You could be a millionaire. You could be enjoying a new world-class yacht 3 months from now. Maybe a wardrobe from Prada and real estate in Beverly Hills. Who knows? Nobody knows unless you give yourself a shot. Put in your email below. It's free, it's easy, and it will make you a millionaire. That's a good deal. Don't look it in the mouth. Do it now. You risk absolutely nothing and you gain everything. So do yourself a favor. Put your name and email below. Your bank account will love you for it. See you on the inside.